everyone, welcome to another video. This video is basically for assigning you a problem to solve. So this problem statement is based on the multiple ifs. Multiple ifs को use करके आपको एक ऐसा question solve करना है in which you have been given three numbers by the user. So user ने आपको तीन numbers दिए. Let's suppose A is 5, 6, 7. Yeah, anything you can say. 25, 24, 29, like this. So you have been given three numbers and you have to arrange them in so manner that either they are in ascending or descending. You can choose among them. कि या तो वो ascending में हो या descending में हो. But you have to use only multiple if else. तो हमने उसको पढ़ा है multiple if else को क्या प्रॉपर्टी होती है उसके वो हम पढ़ चुके हैं अपने previous videos में. So you have to use the multiple if else to solve this question. I will check out your solution in the comment section. So do post your solution in the comment section. I will check them and give them a like. Okay. So thank you everyone. Next video में हम इसका solution discuss कर रहे होंगे. So see you in next video. Bye bye.